How will mayors and town councils be involved in the One Small Town initiative? The role of the mayor and the town council, if they want to participate or join, is very simple. The mayors or town councillors can never play an active role on the board of any One Small Town cooperative or community. They can never be part of the board because they're in politics. So the only role that politicians and councillors and mayors can play is a supportive role, supporting the idea, the concept, to promote it, to talk about it, and to possibly play a role in which they attract investors from around the world to their town because of what the community is doing. Because keep in mind that investors will never invest in a divided community. Investors will only invest in united communities where people are working together, keeping their towns beautiful and safe, and are constantly upgrading and uplifting their towns. Those are the towns and communities that will in the future and now invite or attract investors. So the role of the mayor will always only be to promote the initiative, to support the initiative in every possible way, and to hopefully attract investors. Never to interfere or to meddle with the One Small Town initiative, to obstruct it, or to be part of the One Small Town Council. The mayors will never be allowed, or councillors will never be allowed to be on the One Small Town Council. The One Small Town Council is what we call the People's Council or the Council of Elders, and those must consist of normal individuals that are not involved in politics in any way.